I'm Raonak, number 22, room 32, and this is my presentation about soft power and multicultural. When I knew that the topic is soft power and multicultural, I was like, oh my heck, what do I supposed to do? It's not easy to think about what should I do in this video. I thought about it while I sat, stood, walked, and I already slept on it. And this is what I came up with. Food. Yes, I know, it's cliche, but no food, no life, and nothing in Thailand is better than Thai food. Maybe me. I'm probably better than Thai food, if you wanna try. What food should I cook? ต้มยำ ส้มตำ แกงเขียวหวาน or ไก่ต้มขมิ้น No. Those stuffs are fine, but they're just too boring. Like, what food that Thai people really adore? หมูกระทะ Exactly! If you ask me what food that Thai people eat on special occasions, this is it. หมูกระทะ was influenced from Chinese hot pot and Korean barbecue. This is what I said on Wikipedia. Can you just stop talking? And we just move because I'm so hungry right now. Well, fine. Let's go to the restaurant. Okay guys, so now we're at หมูกระทะ restaurant and this one is called นักล่าหมูกระทะ at MBK Center. At here, we have to get the sauce by ourselves, and what I'm gonna get for today is หมูกระทะ sauce, sukiyaki sauce, and some limes and garlic, also chili, to get my sauce spicier. What I ordered are marinated beef, marinated chicken, and Australian beef. This is what the หมูกระทะ pan looks like, and I'm gonna show you how to eat หมูกระทะ in the right way. Oh my gosh, looks so yummy. But this one is wrong. You cannot put the meat right on the pan, otherwise it's gonna stick. This is the right way. You have to put the fat first so the meat won't stick and the texture will be juicier. And how I eat the egg is, I like to put it in the soup, then whisk it with my chopstick. Wait for 2 minutes, then you'll get the steamed egg. Like this. Okay, dip the meat in the sauce, then put it in your mouth. Mostly, people eat หมูกระทะ with friends or family because they usually have just big portions and everyone loves หมูกระทะ so they get a chance to talk to each other. The หมูกระทะ restaurant became a very good place to hang out. I also met some of my friends who were hanging out there, but what I want to say is, it's okay to eat หมูกระทะ alone. It's not a big deal at all. As long as you enjoy your food, that's totally fine.